In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Figma wireframe kits. We'll walk through each step so you can follow along and maximize your design workflow. Let's get started by heading over to Figma's website. As you probably know, Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that's used by designers around the world to create impressive digital products. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login button. Click on that to enter your credentials and gain access to your workspace. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's a fairly intuitive process and truly worth it for the benefits Figma offers. After logging in, you'll land on your Figma homepage. This is your command center where all your files reside. It's well organized and designed to help you get your projects up and running in no time. You can view all your recent files as well as those shared with you, providing quick access to ongoing projects. Now locate a file that you want to work on. Clicking on a file here will open up your design canvas where you can start building or editing your projects. Once you have your file open, you'll notice various tools and features at your disposal on the Figma interface. If you're new to Figma, take a moment to hover over each tool to familiarize yourself with their functions. Next, we're going to look for wireframe kits, an incredibly useful resource within Figma. To do this, simply click on the Action button. This will open a search bar where you can type in wireframe kits. These kits are essentially design templates that can save you a lot of time. They provide pre-built components and layouts that you can customize to fit your project's specific needs. Once you find the wireframe kits, click on them to start utilizing these fantastic resources. You'll find a variety of templates within these kits, ranging from basic structures to beautifully detailed components. Choose a wireframe template that suits the direction of your project and start dragging it onto your canvas. Finally, it's time to run these wireframes to see them in action. Click on the Run button located in the interface. This feature allows you to view your wireframes interactively, offering a clearer perspective on how your design elements flow together. It's a great way to simulate the user experience and make necessary adjustments in real time. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the process of using Figma wireframe kits, empowering you to enhance your design process. Remember, with regular practice, using these kits will become second nature, helping you to design efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing.